It is important to note that we are what we eat, and as our body did not become big or we did not accumulate all these extra kgs in one day, so is the process of losing weight. Today we are meal prepping dinner for the whole week. And our dinner is full of vitamin, protein, and healthy carbs. This week we are taking care of our hearts. Are you ready, guys? If you're new here, karibu sana to Triple FL. My name is Winnie James, aka Wismar. I'm in a mission to lose 15 kgs. I started at 86 when I started my weight loss journey, and now I am at 77. So without wasting much time, let's jump into today's video. So our healthy carbs today is sweet potato, and sweet potato can help you lower your bad cholesterol, which may lower your odds of heart problems. It also has beta carotene, which improves your skin texture. Kama utaki kupata hizo wrinkles, sweet potatoes are very nice. Guys, we are going to bake our sweet potatoes. We are only going to add olive oil. We'll add salt, pepper, paprika, and then we will put in the oven for like 20 minutes, and then we will serve it. And to our vitamins today, we are doing baby spinach, and baby spinach has a decent amount of potassium, which is good for heart health and reduces risk of stroke and heart disease. Today we said we are focusing on our heart because our heart need to be taken good care of, and it is when you're doing meal prepping, it is very good because you know exactly what you're putting in your body and what it does to your body. Whatever you're eating, at least you know what benefits that whatever you're eating has and in your body. So, and to our spinach, you will put just a small amount of oil. I am doing the vegetable oil, and then I will put my spices, that is Maggi, and then I will put whatever you like, whatever spices you like, just do them. And I like when I put my spices and then unapika hizo spices instead of putting on top of whatever you're cooking. When you put them before you put the main meal and let the spices cook, I always find it more tasty. And I am not going to put salt because these spices has some salt, and our spinach we don't want it to be salty. I don't know if it's just me. I don't like my spinach salty. Kuna hiyo, I don't know, it's because ni nyororo sana. Spinach and baby spinach for like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Pooh, kaput. It is ready to be served. Our source of protein today, we are doing roast cocoa. This, and you know, beans are very good, very rich source of protein. Yeah, so and beans make you fuller, longer, because they are also rich in fiber. So today we are doing roast cocoa. The reason why I like roast cocoa, because acidity iko chini is not like the other some of other beans. So yeah, so we are going to assemble now our protein, our vitamin. We put them in container, we pack them. And someone asked me, did this small portion you're putting, is this going to be enough for lunch or for dinner? It is enough, because remember, when losing weight, you need to know what exactly you're putting in terms of portions and in terms of vitamin, protein, and all these things, so that you know exactly what you're putting in. This one is for 5 days, and we say that Friday and Saturday is cheat days. And yeah, I am happy that you clicked in. Let me know if these meal prepping videos are helping you in the comment below. And thank you so much for those ones who are reaching out on Instagram. I am happy and I am grateful that these videos are helping you. Bye bye. God bless you. I love you and I love you so deeply. See you on the next one.